Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to put one of these clicker mechanisms together. It consists of the stem, the bushing, a 1/16 ball, and a little C-clip that holds it all together. So the first thing we want to do is fill this ball track completely up with grease. Don't worry about putting too much. First few times you click it, all the excess grease will come out of it. So we got that ball track filled completely up with grease. We're going to take this bushing, it has a radial groove inside of it. We're going to take that ball and put into that groove. So now that ball is inside that radial groove. Take the stem, slide it in just like it goes together. It will hit that ball, rotate the stem, and it will slide on through, and you can see that the grease is now gone out of the track. So that lets you know the ball is inside there. The C-clip actually has a flat side and a rounded side. If you look at it, you can see that. The rounded side will actually go towards the bushing when you put it onto the stem. And that's it.